Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Capcut promo codes in 2025. So in order to find that, you will have to open your web browser and search for Capcut promo codes 2025. Now once you search for it, you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you Capcut promo codes as of January 2025. So you need to open these websites in a new tab so that you could hop on to them one by one and try to find the promo codes. Like I'm opening these websites to see what they are offering. So this one is giving you that you can sign up now and get Capcut Pro free for 7 days. So if you want to avail this deal, you can just simply click over here and you can just create your account on Capcut and get the 7-day free trial. If you want to get more coupon codes, you can come to another website and see what they are actually offering. Then you can avail the deals and you can just this way find the best promo codes for Capcut. Here you will have to give some time in order to get the best deal, but this is the best method for you to find the Capcut promo codes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.